After the crucifixion of Jesus Christ, the body was wrapped in a cloth and buried. But later, when the tomb was opened, the body was not there, but the cloth was there. The blood that came from the body can be seen on it. The cloth that is still preserved today. The shroud of St. John the Baptist in Turin, Italy, is a linen cloth that is 14 feet long and 3.5 feet wide. The cloth is covered hair that reaches down to the shoulders, blood that covered the body, and traces of about 100 lashes. There are millions of people on earth who believe that this is the cloth that wrapped Jesus. The first picture of the cloth was taken in 1898. It was taken by a photographer named Secondopia. He was also an advocate. He was the official photographer of the church for the 400th anniversary of the church and was part of an exhibition that was held there at that time, which is where this picture was taken. The negative of the picture he took that day showed a photo of a face. The sight he saw that day was the beginning of a huge research. Even many who believed it was many myth became part of the research. Experts from all scientific fields in society evaluated the cloth, thought various experiments. From all of that, they were able to understand the size of the wound caused by the whipping, the swollen face caused by the beating, and the shoulder that was supported by something heavy. But they found something different from the stories we see in the pictures, that both of Jesus' hands were nailed, but instead of the palms. The truth is that the nails, where the nails are little below the palms. Similarly, the two legs are nailed together in one way, as seen in the pictures, but that is not the case. Instead, two nails were nailed in both feet. In 1978, when microscopist and forensic expert Walter Macroni used the cloth for research, he found that it was made of a paste made of red dye and gelatin. His discovery started a huge controversy at the time. It started a huge debate between thesis and antithesis. Later in 1988, radiocarbon dating by the three independent laboratories established that the shroud dates back to the Middle Age, between 1216 and 1390. That was a source of great controversy. Even though the satin came from Jesus' body, who could they be stuck on that cloth is a question, isn't it? In answer to the question, there are 5 things that are as follows. You can see that all parts of the body are stuck on the clothes, but the cloth is not stuck on all part of the body. The cloth is a normal thing and is not made of any kind of elements or gases. In this picture, internal parts are stuck, that is like an X-ray. There is no exact scientific explanation for these things. Then it is said that the reason of how their thing to could be due to a special type of nuclear explosion occurred on Jesus' body. It is also said that pollen from 58 plants were in Israel at that time was found in the cloth. Many claims that this cloth of Jesus has been scientifically proven are lies. The cloth is still preserved in that church as any mysterious objects, something beyond human thoughts.